Ever wonder why some people can attract success in a way that seems effortless? One explanation is that they are activating the law of attraction. New York Times top-rated creator, Jack Canfield, portrays the law of attraction in straightforward terms. What you think about, talk about, believe strongly about, and feel intensely about, you will bring about. As such, our musings, which are comprised of energy, can significantly affect our lives. You will draw into your life whatever you give your attention, energy and consideration regarding. By following these techniques, you will actually want to utilize the law of attraction to show your fantasy work. Step 1. Choose what you need. The initial step to show your fantasy work is choosing what you need. It's difficult to arrive at your objective in the event that you don't have one. Start with your why. Why would you like to make a lifelong change? What is it about your present place of employment that you don't care for? Shift your point of view and free yourself up to additional opportunities. Conceptualize choices so you can discover the convergence of what you appreciate and are acceptable at. This might be a brilliant opportunity to discover a tutor or mentor to help you and consider you responsible. Consider what you'd like your life to resemble 5 or 10 years into what's to come. Test out professions by chipping in, joining a board, or beginning a side hustle. Whenever you've distinguished your objective, record it, and offer it with individuals near you. There is a strong correlation between vocalizing our goals and completing them. Step 2. Think all the more purposely. Manifesting your dream job using the law of attraction requires intentional thought. Rather than just reacting to your current situation, become more deliberate about what you think and feel. Whenever you've distinguished your objective, work on envisioning how you'll feel when you've gotten it. For instance, if your dream job is to turn into an expert writer, envision how it will feel to complete that underlying original copy, sign your first book arrangement or make the New York Times success list. These positive considerations will assist you with making your future as opposed to remain stuck in the present. Step 3. Zero in on what's to come. Focus on the future. To secure your dream position, you'll need to zero in on what you need instead of what you don't need. At the point when you fear your work life, it's not difficult to be overcome with musings like, I truly disdain my work. For what reason am I burning through my time at this organization? Or, I truly need to escape this poisonous workplace. By zeroing in on what you don't need, you are really building up your present circumstance. All things being equal, focus around your definitive objective. Replace those negative pictures with positive ones like, I love my work. I'm getting a charge out of consistently at this organization, or, I love working in a particularly strong workplace. If you can move your reasoning, you will be bound to show the future you want. Step 4. Believe you can get there. As the well-known expression from Henry Ford goes, whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. No matter how much effort you put into achieving a goal, if you don't believe deep in your core that it's possible, you'll never get there. Accepting doesn't simply happen to you, it's a decision. One approach to energize this outlook is by adding a perception practice to your everyday schedule. This methodology could incorporate making a dream or dream board. By putting a vision board where you can see it consistently, you will normally turn out to be more spurred to arrive at your objectives. You'll even begin to see yourself doing startling things that draw you nearer to your fantasy work. Step 5. Make a move, take action. Thoughts are useless without action. Actions speak louder than words. Some of these steps will be clear-cut, like taking an acting class if you want to be a professional actor or enrolling in a certification course if your goal is to pursue being an actor in Hollywood. Others will be more subtle and expect you to take advantage of your instinct. This is the point at which you'll have to pay attention to your intuition. Follow your senses when you feel like there's a particular gathering you need to join in or an individual you should contact, regardless of whether you don't know why. The law of attraction isn't magic, and it isn't instantaneous. Applying it requires tolerance, exertion and preparing. The time it takes to reach your goal will be different for everyone. Yet, the recipe is simple. The fundamental goal is, by mixing 2 essential ingredients, thought and action, along with a dash of gratitude and a pinch of appreciation, you can create the life that you want. Enjoy unlimited universe.